Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from the USA to the Czech Republic in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, paying for travel, or handling international business, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's get right into it. First off, why is this important? With the rising costs of living and global connections, sending money internationally has become easier, but you need to know the best methods to avoid hidden fees and delays. In 2025, options like Wise, PayPal, and traditional banks have evolved with better exchange rates and faster transfers, thanks to new regulations. Step 1. Choose your method. Start by comparing services. Wise is a top pick for its low fees and real-time exchange rates. It's perfect for everyday transfers. If you're dealing with larger amounts, check with your US bank for direct wires, or use PayPal for quick online sends. Always verify the 2025 exchange rate, which you can find on apps like Z or your bank's website, to ensure you're getting the best deal. Step 2. Set up your account. If you're new to Wise or PayPal, download the app or visit their website and create a free account. You'll need to verify your identity with a US ID and link your bank account or debit card. This usually takes just a few minutes. Step 3. Enter the details. Once logged in, select the Czech Republic as the destination. Input the recipient's full name, their Czech bank account details, and the amount in USD. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Mistakes can cause delays of up to 3 to 5 business days. Step 4. Review and send. Before confirming, look at the total fees and final amount in Czech koruna, CZK. In 2025, expect fees to range from 0.5% to 2% depending on the service. Hit send, and you'll get a confirmation email. Most transfers arrive within 1 to 2 days with Wise, but international wires might take longer. A few quick tips. Always use secure networks to protect your info, consider the current economic climate for better rates, and explore alternatives like Western Union for cash pickups if needed. Remember, taxes or additional fees might apply in the Czech Republic, so check with local authorities. There you have it. Sending money from the USA to the Czech Republic doesn't have to be complicated. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.